Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. Tonight, we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're not going to talk that much because this is a 3-part series. And then we're going to call this one Macka Diamond versus Lady Ann. It's going to be 3 parts. So, without further ado, just do this first. Like, subscribe, share, show you care, and leave a comment. And right now, Talking News is here.
Me up on live, me can't talk to you?
Sure, I'm gonna talk to you. You're my friend.
Lady Ann, let me tell you something straight. People, big up to Lady Ann, the queen of dancer. Lady Ann, let me tell you straight. I'm not going to be a hypocrite.
No, you're not the queen, my first lady.
First lady, sorry. Lady Ann, let me tell you straight. I'm not going to be a hypocrite. Big man think, I know me a drunker. Last night, when we watched your interview on stage, I was so pleased and so happy that on stage give you a platform. The way your face looked, the way you look relaxed, I was so happy to see you last night. Your interview was so good that I love the interview, and I just hope that from this point on and so forth, you continue your journey and continue to put up music and so, because one thing with you talk your mind from who not like you, from who not like you. And last night, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not try to put in a mix up, but I tell the people, I did not like Macka Diamond interview because you have a thing called enough is enough. You feel me, I say? You have to know if let the thing, because guess what happened? When you were sing Lady Ann back in the days, and Macka them a sing, everybody got them time in the music, right? So Spice have our time in the music now. Spice to do our time, right?
Sure.
So why Macka Diamond get up every day with this Obia thing? Nobody will know Macka Diamond now. Macka Diamond do our time in the music, and that was just our time. She just never...
Everybody has to get a clear side for the action.
Exactly. So she come with this other thing back and forth. I mean, I say, yo, why did Winfred even bring on Macka Diamond last night after your interview, Lady Ann, when Lady Ann do such a wonderful interview?
But you hear the joke now?
Yeah.
The question you say, why is the one of them running in and then they not running? That's the question you must ask.
What you said? Me not hear that. Say that again.
Why everybody is running in and then it's like charming?
Well, that because guess what happened? It's only when you're dead you get recognition, and only when you're dead people like you. When Charmaine alive, nobody never liked her because she was alive.
Yeah.
Right? And everybody has said, oh, we miss Charmaine and so forth. Did anybody ever pick up the phone and call Charmaine and give Charmaine a show when she was alive? Exactly. So now Charmaine dead, then now everybody has said they love her. I only met Charmaine 2 times. I met her in New York 1 time with you in a Rarican Park. And I met her at Jersey, like 3 times. I met her at Jersey. And I met her over Ed Robinson. I met her 1 other time again and so forth. I don't know nothing about Charmaine. I remember her, but me now come on and say, oh my God, I rate her because... Yeah.
What did I say to you?
Yeah, remember, you tell me.
When I said that for the business long time,
yes.
You're not afraid.
Yeah, you did say that over Charmaine out there. You did say that over Charmaine out there business long time. You did say.
Long time.
So Lady Ann, talk the truth now, Lady Ann. Talk God Almighty truth. I want to with you. Me know you touch. Most of the female them from back in the days, don't then go a man at some point in their life?
Every mama blood clot when I got Obia man. They know any day we cut forth them or drop down.
Lady Ann, what Lady Ann? Lady Ann, you ever go Obia man for your band? Alright, thank you, mama. That's why my blood clot love you. That's why I love you, Lady Ann. That's why I love you. And what I'm going to talk. Talk, Lady Ann, talk.
What are we go? But then know any day we come talk, you're going to run out of the chair. But guess what? I don't come forth and say anything.
Yeah.
That one daughter then. Any line we go and it's negative, she want to kill you.
She want to kill you? Well,
me... That is why
right.
I get away from it.
Right.
If I'm not live, she want me to kill me, some to leave it alone, me too old to search.
No, you know all, but Lady Ann,
no, me kind of understand I find it.
Right.
I know everything was coming out of the kitchen. If we are cook, when we are going to find and if we are beard, why have to be, if we are kiss a man. She tell me everything. She said, if we are come, just come do something good and nice, and everything must be a job of us.
Yeah, but lady, and at the end of the day, I understand what she said, but guess what happened? Women are like with these female artists, all of them is so God, they're not about God and Obia. All of them go Obia, man. All of them go Obia, man. Every single one is female. All of them. Right? And there's a different level lady than I've gone to Obia, man. If you go there for hold long somebody or fight somebody, that's a problem. If you go there for better yourself, then that's a different thing. Because all of them say God and then believe in it.
But that's how a Obia man can't better nobody.
Ah.
But you know how the end of that Obia man?
Tell me, 1 year.
Insane call me. Because then this ask me name over there, insane call me. He said too much of them come in my name. And what it is about me. And it said somebody come call me.
Right. And you go.
And me blood clot go.
And when you go there, you see other people there?
You know, you haven't said never to come forth and run away.
Alright. So all them are going to say them now walk up here?
You come like, you know, just say me to come forth and run away.
Them are wicked, man, because all of a sudden, like, me understand the Spice of our ways. Spice of our ways. We understand that. But RT no nothing but now, RT a liar. Right? RT is a fake reader, man. But at the end of the him is a fake reader, man. He no about no reading. It's just one of them all scammer there. But listen this now. If RT never come out and say Spice and Obia, would Macka Diamond and all of them come out and talk about Obia? Or a lot of them been doing Obia and not talk?
Hold up. She been saying people are Obia.
Right.
She been saying it before RT come forth with it. She been was saying it. So people are Obia.
So,
because, but listen, you put something forth.
Right.
If you go back and watch this thing, where she and Star clash.
Right.
If you look at that thing, miss something. You see that thing there? And me see him that I tell about a lady G that watching.
Right.
And when I see sister, get the water, I don't know if I water when she was wetting up around Macka Diamond. I said, I fall out and said, Lord, Macka don't know, Macka career don't know. So
right.
My dad says America, she said, but Annie, what's that water shall you say? You don't know what inside the water.
Right.
And me not lie, right after that, Macka gets sick very bad. When Macka, I get mad and she tell people she died, so like she never died. I'm fling them finger piece of bad water, and I don't know who do it.
Oh.
But she didn't want to come forth and tell the public, so she just lie and say she died. She wasn't dying. Them fling around and piece of water upon her death.
So you think I want a young one then, or I want an old one then?
Me don't want to be a judge, because the Bible says don't judge.
But we can't assume. You think a young somebody over here or old somebody over here?
But the young people have no reason to do it because the young people first they never the thing at the time. So whoever arrival is have to do it.
Alright. So
arrival is have to do it, you know.
Right. But lady Ann, can it be sometime that is bad management or some of the female and make the money?
Yes, because at the time it is time. It is bad management. Yes.
But because me I say
remember I know it's a big size, it's a big cake, you know.
Right.
Everybody has to get their equal share.
Right.
Everybody has to get them share of the cake. So, you know, but some of these people coming in the business and don't want nobody else to get a share of the cake.
Right.
Them just want it all, and it can't be like that.
Right, so them go fling, then go up here and fling up here. Can me tell people over say in a music business, if 100 people in a music business, at least 75 of them find themselves at Obia man yard.
75 is full of blood clot.
Cause look on Davel between me and you. You remember Davel, right?
That means to be a Davel.
Alright, and look how the Rasta man and the other one Obia Davel.
Oh, you know who Obia Davel, and you don't know who Obia me. Oh, you can't tell me how to put me in the back.
Listen.
I know Davel gets Obia.
Listen to me, listen. Them Obia Davel from New York, them Obia Davel, the Rasta and the other one. Lady, me don't know who Obia yet, but you know who Obia you already. Now I can be no hypocrite, because you know who Obia you already. You know who. People don't make Lady and tell. Lady and know exactly who Obia are, but Lady and just a whole amount. Lady and know who Obia and Lady and know who Obia Charmian.
Well, the pastor never tell me who they just said me.
But you have idea who do it, don't talk it truth.
Them not follow them go woman man, so I never know that woman man make me.
Well, Alright, so you follow the person where Obe you go Obe man and never know say Obe man you go.
I never know it's over, and then no, the night I had shot at people can remember the ad shot to keep a Coney Island to rate one name. Me turn full fan stage, me turn skinny as a chat about the police. I'm empty like suppose and 6 pieces, and me that come out for the gym, come out for the gym, me sick back there, and never forgot ask man said, you are fooling us to the over there. And I was like, what the hell is he saying to me?
So you never confront the person over there yet?
You have to confront them because that deal with them.
Boy, me I tell boy late. Hey, what you people tell you say lady and me know a lady and person, a lady and talk our mind straight. And me keep telling her over and so forth. Lady, I don't know a lady and stay at the end of the day. She now come and deal with the mix up. She tell the truth. There's a lot of other in a dance hall. Every single female in a music industry find themselves a one other woman or other man at some point. Right? Call me, let me. Hold on, somebody said they know who over you. Somebody put the place said they know who over you, lady, and somebody said they know who. Lady, I know, but lady, I'm not gonna lie to you. You see, who's never fling the over upon you? It never connect because guess what happened? Yes. Wait, me I tell you, lady, the over must have come off now, because when me see you on stage last night, me I tell you look rich. Yeah, me the one that want to your hand, because your hand never was like that.
They mash up the whole of my hand, they paralyze the whole side, you know.
Yeah, because me just, you as I said, me I say, but your hand wasn't like that.
Them paralyzed me. But God, me couldn't walk. I'm tired, suffering my back. Me couldn't walk.
Boy, mate, and then the female artists then come out and go like say them all Jovi and them all in a God and them all this and them all in a that and all of that. Them involved in a whole business. Some of them go there for hold on people and true people don't know, true the fans them don't know, them believe them.
No, and that true the fans love them more than you, because to them after than you, the fans said want to earn. He couldn't come out and say, so and so did I want to go there.
Right.
Like, me did good, them that beat my bad and shot my bad man.
Right.
But she answered no to me, no. But I couldn't come out and say, X, Y, Z, I will go there. Because me say I will go man. She said my man, because if we did never do that, so me that's not true, not now go on to my career, make me come out and talk against a person and blah, blah, blah. So you know what me do? The mama says to see I'm blind.
Somebody text me on the page and say, ask her about Black Queen and Lady Juni.
Lady Juni are the biggest popular woman in the industry. Lady Juni, to remember, say, when me see she run out on Lady Star, it upset me. I hear why it upset me. I'm going to tell you why it upset me.
Right.
Lady Juni, to remember, say, she was the most, she and Juni ran to the over competition over the name. Because she used to, who did it over competition over the name. And she remember.
Well, and the lady would do the live all the time, she?
Yeah.
Oh, the one that come with it, but the one that come now, say my prophet, you see how life is. Go on talk, lady, and you see how life is?
Remember, say, I mean, I used to pass. And she must remember, say, one time, because she used to run, what she tell me, you remember married her? She said, Lady Star get her out.
Right.
That's all of my life, she have blood clot. And when Lady Star come in and music, she had career done like anyone.
Yo, what a piece of contravesty. I don't believe it. They're talking a whole lot of stuff. I'm just reporting it. I'm not giving any type of opinion. Wow. Oh, now we don't hear from Macka Diamond, but that's part 1 of 3. So like, subscribe, share, and if you care, leave a comment. Remember, this is Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. More love, more life, more music. Dread out for now, and click the link that's pinned for the part 2.